Welcome to our YouTube channel where we expose creative ways to bring the beauty of nature into your home. In today's video, we will be sharing ideas on how to decor your home with plants, creative a refresh and vibrant atmosphere. Let's get started. Ideas number 1: indoors jungle. Create a lush and tropical oasis by incorporating a variety of indoor plants. Choose plants with different shapes, sizes, and textures to add visual interest. Place them on shelves, sides, tables, and countertops to bring life to every corner of your home. Consider plants like monstera, snakes plants, and peace lily of their airy purifying properties. Ideas number 2: hanging beauties and utilize the vertical space in your home by hanging plants from the ceiling or wall. Mountain hooks. Choose training plants like string of pearls, photo, or spider plants that gracefully cascades down. Not only do hanging plants add a uniquely visual elements, but they also help create a sense of height and dimensions in your living space. In ideas number 3: window gardens. Transforming your window vestibles into a botanical display by creating mini gardens like plants that thrive in bright lights, such as succulents, aloe vera, or herbs. Arrange them in decorative pots or hanging planter to maximize sunlight and bring nature right into your kitchen or living room. Ideas number 4: statement planters. Make a bold statement with eye-catching planters. Opt for unique designs such as creamies to add a touch of personality or to your plant collection. Mix and match different planter style and sizes to create an electric and visually appealing arrangement. Ideas number 5: vertical garden. If you have limited floor space, consider creating a vertical garden. Install wall-mounted planter or a vertical plant shelf to display an assortment of plants vertically. This not only saves space but also add a stunning focal points to your home decor. Remember, caring for your plants is essential to maintain their health and beauty. Provide them with the appropriate amount of sunlight, water, and associational fertilization. Each plant has its specific needs, so take the time to research and understand how to best care for each variety on your collection. We hope these ideas inspire you to bring the beauty of nature into your home. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more creative home decor tips and ideas. Happy decoration and happy planting design. Thanks for watching. Thanks once again.